guys, welcome back again to another video from Trs2k16 forever. As you guys already know, I'm your host Rena. So today I will be discussing, even though it's a series event, I will be discussing my top favorite deep conditioner. I will be discussing my top favorite deep conditioner, and it's none only but the Rapid Repair by Beautiful Texture. This is made with shea and argan oil. Now this is a jelly based, look at this jiggle, check that out, sorry, but like I said, this is a jelly based deep conditioner, and I'm telling you, once I usually just part my hair, section it off, use my wide tooth comb, and I put it in. And when I'm using this product, I making sure that I get at my roots and definitely at the ends and at the body of the hair. And the moment I put this product on my hair, my curls are already reverted and they're revived. Honey, I'm telling you, this product, if you have curly hair or you have hair that's like in between curly and kind of thick at the same time, this is the product you should use to like really get your curls popping. This is a good treatment for if you're looking to prevent hair growth. It gets oily and it saturates your hair. It also controls the frizz, boosts shine, and versatile styles define your curls, coils, and waves. And I'm telling you, honey, this stuff really does do magic. I think all jelly based products really thus far do something good to my hair. I don't know if it's just because I'm used to using Beautiful Texture as well as Shea Moistures, but Beautiful Texture, since I've prior to cutting my hair, I was always using the shampoo, conditioner, the oil, the butter pudding, what is it, the butter, I can't think of the word, but it's the buttery cream type pomade or whatever you want to call it. And then I was using the deep conditioner. So with this deep conditioner, it's a different from a bottle, and it is 15 ounces. Now this does smell ridiculously good. As you can tell, like it has like a really big dent in it because I've been using this sucker like it's nothing. I follow up with a leave-in conditioner, which is my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, or if not, I try to use the Beautiful Texture leave-in conditioner, which I don't have at this moment because I ran out of it, but I will be getting some as soon as possible. Now with this product, it's good for heat protection and it adds shine to your hair. To get your hair to have a tighter natural curl, allow the hair to air dry when you put this in. Don't put a plastic cap over it. If you want to do looser curl pattern and add a volume, blow dry while finger combing and twisting curls. For straighter styles, use a diffuse and a blow dry using a brush or a wide tooth comb. Now for me, I usually once I put this in, I definitely put it up into like a little beehive cone, and I put the plastic cap over, and then I put a bonnet on top to lock in all of that heat. I don't use blow dryers like that. For some reason I just don't. I don't like the way it makes my hair feel after a while, but as you guys can see, my curls is popping, honey, and that's because I use this Rapid Repair, and I also use my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moistures. Now these products that I have been discussing about over the course of a day and a half have been the most helpful and useful products that I have used. I really love these products. If I didn't, I would not be reviewing it for you guys. With this product, I will be doing a demo of this product in a later time, but I just want to give you guys a brief talk about it, because these actually help your curls and it helps your coils, and it really does hydrate your hair immediately, rapidly, as it states on the bottle, rapid. So guys, with that being said, share this video, like, thumbs it up, tell a friend about us, and I'll see you guys in the following video.